What's up guys, welcome to a new video of High Altitude Motorsports. If you're new here, make sure to smash the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up on the video, drop a comment for what you guys want to see in the future videos. Even you guys just watching our videos, it really helps our channel during this time. Obviously we're a small business, we're still open right now, so if you guys need any work done, come down to the shop. Get a quote. We're running 20% off of lift wheel and tire packages, and also we have our merch, highaltitude.shop. And all this stuff's really going to support our channel, so we thank you guys so much for being a part of the High Altitude fam. Let's get into the video. So first off, what do you guys think? You know, with the coronavirus this weekend, I got bored and built this desk. Obviously, I'm not a carpenter, I'm better at building trucks, but I think it's turned out not too shabby. I'm gonna hopefully start getting this finished, but in the meantime, just got a call from Doug Lawson. I don't know if you guys have known this or not. I don't think they have actually. So I don't think so. We have filmed a couple other clips because we got some other surprises coming, but after the rally, the car got hammered on with rock chips and all kinds of debris, messed the whole front end up with paint, and our boys over at Savage Garage made a little oopsie. We just got a DM from Randy Savage Garage. Not sure what is about to happen. Ryan, what do you think's about to happen?
We're not sure.
We're on the cell phone. We didn't even bring the camera, so we're gonna find out here shortly. All right, we just got to the Aria Valet. About to see what Randy wants. I'll see what he's up to. I'm actually a big fan. I'm a big fan of yours too. I was wondering, I'm like, oh, Randy just messaged me. I wonder if they were like, doing a prank on the car. No.
Let's think about the design of this thing. Make something 4 feet wide with a base of 1.5 feet and have something just accidentally bump into it and what if it rolls downhill?
All right, guys. Well, we just met Randy. Not the circumstances I thought. He crashed into my car. But that's all right. You know, that's part of life. It happens. So the fender had just like some minor scratching on it. So we took it to Doug Lawson at Lessons Paint and Body, and he repainted the whole front clip. And now it's done. We're gonna go pick it up so we can start making some supercar content again.
Damn, dude, the Mclaren looks good.
Yeah.
Real good.
It's got that fresh paint, you know, the fender's
I like
on
it.
That side. Crazy times, man. So right by our shop, there's a big pot dispensary, and they got a drive-through pot shop now.
Drive-through weed shop, man.
It's crazy. Hope you guys are staying safe, staying healthy. We're out here still working, you know, it's...
Look at this thing.
That thing's a lifted Subaru if I've ever seen a lifted Subaru before. But yeah, we are just out here, you know. Make sure you guys are supporting small business, doing anything you can to help your communities out. It's a crazy time we're living in. Yeah, man, I haven't seen this car since for a couple weeks, but it looks super good. So as you guys can tell, everything's been painted, looking super good.
You happy?
Back. I pelted you with some rocks. Sorry about it.
You're driving like a happy person drives.
I am happy. Oh, it's nice to have her back. So as you saw in the clips from Vegas, this basically front part of the bumper and the fender were scratched. Randy's trailer was moving, and the big flower pot that they have just rubbed right into the side of the car. Wasn't a big deal. So you can see this is all perfectly fixed. It's a little dusty right now. The car was painted previously. It wasn't done super well. So now we did the whole front bumper, the hood, and this fender. And I think eventually I'll probably do the mirrors. So for now, we're not gonna drive this too much. I've been letting it sit in the sun, just kind of baking, letting that paint cure, because I am going to be doing a full protective film on the front end of it. Probably wait about 2 weeks, is what Lawson said. And then after that, we have some really exciting news for the car. We are doing a full vinyl wrap with our logo, YouTube channel. Obviously, some of it we're gonna keep a secret, so you guys are gonna have to subscribe, hit the notification bell to see what this turns into. Right now, obviously, with the coronavirus, unfortunately, we're not gonna be able to get it done as soon as we would like, but you know, that's okay. Things happen. We're not too stressed out about it. We need it to cure anyways. So we do have some clips that we're gonna throw in. We met with Les over at Ink Monster about the design process, and the car's all torn apart. Some cool shots.
Okay, thought I'd never make it, like no way. I'm the real deal, no role play. My days off, that's no days. No, I hustle hard, young rose. E be the shooter, that's cold case. Those on the deals, that's brose. Got no pay, yo, no say. Okay, this the news, tell them read it. Been the one since the fetus. Don't sleep on me, Tempur-Pedic. That's a no, no, no. Spending dope for no reason. Got a ball head, Mr. Cleaner. Heard the big bags overseas, then we gon' go, go, go. Whoa, I press the button and the doors go off like, whoa. That money clip us now, the new now looks like, whoa. Upgrade her diamonds, now her girlfriends are like, whoa.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you did like it, make sure to subscribe, give us a like, turn on notifications, drop a comment, and we'll see you guys in the next episode.